Welcome to this 15-minute guided meditation for stress relief and emotional balance. This session is designed to help you let go of tension, find your inner calm, and create space for peace in your mind and body. Find a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in. And exhale slowly. Let's begin. Begin by focusing on your breath. Take a deep inhale through your nose. And as you exhale, imagine releasing any tension you're holding. Feel the weight in your shoulders, your jaw, and your chest begin to soften. With every breath, picture the stress melting away. Inhale deeply, drawing in a sense of calm. And exhale. Letting go of worry. Keep this rhythm. And let your breath guide you. Now, bring your attention to your body. Start at the top of your head. Feel your forehead relax. Your cheeks soften. And your jaw unclench. Let this sense of relaxation flow down to your neck, your shoulders, and your arms. Notice how your chest feels as it rises and falls with each breath. Continue down to your stomach. Your hips, and your legs. Finally, let the tension leave your toes. Your whole body is now relaxed, light, and calm. Imagine yourself standing in a quiet, peaceful place. This might be a serene forest, a gentle beach, or a calming garden. Feel the soothing presence of this space. As you stand here, picture a soft, glowing light surrounding your body. This light represents balance and harmony. With every inhale, this light grows brighter. Filling you with calm and stability. With every exhale, it pushes out any negativity or emotional heaviness. Repeat silently to yourself, I am calm. I am balanced. I am at peace. Stay here for a few moments, absorbing this feeling. Slowly bring your attention back to the present moment. Feel the surface beneath you. And the air around you. Wiggle your fingers and toes gently, waking up your body. When you're ready, open your eyes and return to the room, carrying this sense of calm and balance with you. If this meditation brought you peace, consider saving it for moments when you need it most. And if you'd like more guided meditations like this, feel free to subscribe and join our growing community. Thank you for sharing this moment with me.